Hi, in front of me Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to perform first setup on this device. Firstly, click Next button, then find your language and choose Next. Here you need to connect to Wi-Fi network, so find your Wi-Fi and enter your password. Click Connect, wait a while and click Next. Scroll down, click Next, Next, scroll down again, click Next. Here in this step you can insert your SIM card, but I have no SIM card, so I will not insert it. So here, Xiaomi Cloud membership, you can connect into Mi account to get exclusive benefits. So click Next and enter your phone number and verification code if you have a Mi account, or you can log in into a Mi account using your email and password. So I will use email, but here I have a Chinese keyboard, and if you want to switch to normal English QWERTY keyboard, you need to click on keyboard button, then choose EN26, click on it, and as you can see here we have normal QWERTY keyboard. Great. Here enter your email, and enter a password and click I have read and understand Mi account's user agreement and privacy policy, and click sign in. Great. Now you can enable Xiaomi Cloud Sync. So I don't want to use Xiaomi Cloud. You can enable Find Device or disable it. I will disable it because it's useless in my country. Restore from the cloud backup. I want to use this device as a new device, but if you want to use this phone as device with data from the old device, so just click transfer from your old device using Mi Mover. You will need to install Mi Mover application from the App Store to your old device, and then move your data from the old device to the new device. But I want to use this device as a new device with no data from old device, and great. Here I can set up screen lock. So I want to set the pattern lock. So click pattern if you want to set up pattern lock too, or just pin your password. Click GoIt, create pattern, repeat pattern, and click next. Great. Here you have Mi AI. Mi AI can set alarms, play music, and control smart home devices. Whenever you need something, you can just ask Mi AI to do it. Okay, I think it's a useless feature. I will check it, I will test it, but now I don't want to enable this feature. Location, yes, enable. Send usage and diagnostic data. I don't want to send any data to Xiaomi, and automatic updates. No. User experience program, I want to disable it. Then click next. Here you can choose navigation button mode, navigation mode, gestures or buttons. So I want to use tests, and here go to home screen, open reasons, go back. Okay, I need to enter into demo mode. So here just close the window, then open recent applications, go back and go back again from the other side, and great, I'm done. We need to watch intro. Oh my gosh. display made A+ 2K. Great. Next. Setup complete. Great. Go to home screen and cool. But now we have no Play Store on our device, so we need to install Play Store. So now click Get Apps, click Agree. If you live in China, you don't need to set up Google Play services, so just bypass it. Thank you for watching. But if you want to install and set up Play Store, you need to open this Chinese Play Market and find here disagree, man. Click OK. So now just find here Google Play Store, open it, and here you will see update button. As you can see, I have no Google Play now in my device, but here I have update button, not install but update. So click on it. It means that I have Google Play services in my Android system in the root folders, but I need to install Play Store. So wait for it. As you can see, there are many applications installing now in my device. We need to wait several minutes. As you can see, now we have Play Store in our device, so click on it, and as you can see, now we can sign in into Google Play Store. So now just enter your email, now enter your password, click next again, I agree, accept, and great. As you can see, we have a normal Play Store, Google Play Market in our device, and we can install any applications from the Google Play Store, and we can use this device in any country we want. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.